I lose this part of me. I just wanna feel beautiful.
Hello beautiful people, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to share with you guys my honest review on Dr. Roushun Kojic Acid and vitamin C shower gel. This shower gel is formulated with healthy ingredients to lighten the skin, to brighten the skin, to glow the skin, to clear dark spots on the skin, to clear stretch marks on the skin, and to also exfoliate the skin and make the skin very smooth. This shower gel is one of the best affordable shower gel in the market out there that you can grab and use on your skin. In this video, I'm going to share with you guys what Dr. Roushun shower gel is. I'm going to share with you guys the role it plays on the skin and how to use it and the side effects of this shower gel. Beautiful people, watch this video till the end. So Dr. Roushun Kojic Acid plus vitamin C shower gel whiten the skin, it hydrates the skin, it makes the skin very firm, it glows the skin, and it exfoliates the skin as well. This shower gel is made in China by a company called Santos SEZ Boaje Industry Co Limited, and it's one of the best shower gel that moisturizes the skin, that glows the skin, and also that lightens the skin as well. This shower gel is not recommended for everybody. You know, we have so many skin types. We have the normal skin types, we have the sensitive skin type, we have a combination skin type, we have the dry skin type, and we have the oily skin type. But sometimes you need to know your skin types before you use any kind of shower gel. Okay, this shower gel is made with vitamin C, and it's one of the best affordable shower gel in the system that you can grab and use on the skin to glow the skin, to lighten the skin. So it is recommended for normal skin people, it is recommended for a combination skin people, and it's also recommended for a dry skin people. All right, but then if you have a sensitive skin or you have an oily skin, you have to be careful before using this shower gel, because some of the ingredients that are used to formulate this shower gel are quite strong. Okay, so when you have a sensitive skin and you use it on the skin, you might end up having certain challenges on the skin. Okay, one thing I've noticed about this shower gel is that it contains vitamin C, and vitamin C is very good for the skin. Vitamin C moisturizes the skin, it's lighting the skin, it's brightening the skin, and also it hydrates the skin as well. If you are a lover of vitamin C and you also love shower gel, you can grab this Dr. Roushun Kojic Acid vitamin C shower gel and use on your skin. So when you go on social media, this Dr. Roushun Kojic Acid vitamin C shower gel has been trending for so many years. So let's look at the roles it plays on the skin. One thing I've noticed about this shower gel is that it exfoliates the skin. It removes dead skin cell. It brightens the skin. It moisturizes the skin. It hydrates the skin. It makes the skin very firm. It glows the skin. It lightens the skin. And also it clears dark spots. It clears stretch marks, and it clears dots on the skin as well. So if you are the type who love to use shower gel, you can grab Dr. Roushun Kojic Acid and Vitamin C shower gel and use on your skin. Let's open it and see how it is in the container. This is how the shower gel is, and there you go. It's very, very, very thick. Very, very, very thick. And it smells very nice. It smells like vitamin C. It smells like kojic. And I think the fragrance inside is very nice. You know, this type of shower gel, you don't have to mix it with anything before using it. You can apply it on the skin for some time, like 10 to 15 minutes before going to the bathhouse. This is how the shower gel looks like. Trust me, it smells very nice. The fragrance inside is very, very nice. And those of you that have a very tough skin, you can apply it on your skin for like 10 to 15 minutes before you go to the bathhouse. When it happens like that, it makes the skin very soft. It removes the dead skin cell on your skin, and also it makes the skin very smooth. Yes, you can use it on your face, but if you have a very sensitive face, you don't have to leave it on the face for so many hours. If you apply it on the face, you should wait for like 2 minutes, then you wash it off on the face. But if you have a very tough skin, as I said it earlier on, you have to apply it on the skin for 10 to 15 minutes. Then after that, you rinse it off and bath with the same shower gel. It's very, very nice. It smells so nice. I love the fragrance. I love the texture. This is the original one. You know, anytime you are buying it, make sure you get the original one. And the original one is very, very thick. It's very, 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 very thick. This is how it is. You could see the texture yourself, and it smells very well. It smells very well. So if you are the type who is looking for a very good shower gel to glow your skin, to lighten your skin, to brighten your skin, to nourish your skin, to moisturize your skin, or you want to achieve a very smooth and soft skin, you can grab Dr. Roushun Kojic Acid and Vitamin C shower gel and use on your skin. You can use it morning and evening. If you have time, you can apply it on your skin for 10 to 15 minutes before going to the bathhouse, okay? And you can use the same shower gel to bath as well. And the side effect of this shower gel is that it's not recommended for sensitive skin people. And don't use this shower gel and expose the body under the sun, because it contains a kojic acid. Okay, so anytime you are using a shower gel that involves a kojic acid, make sure you protect the skin from the sun. Okay, and if you have a sensitive skin and you use this shower gel, you'll feel some kind of itches and irritations on your skin. So if you notice these kind of problems on your skin when using it, then you should please hold on with the shower gel. Okay, it glows the skin, it lightens the skin, it's brightening the skin, it nourishes the skin, it removes dead skin cell, and also it makes the skin very soft. So if you have ever used Dr. Roushun Kojic Acid shower gel, you can share your review with me, or you can share your review with us. You can also leave a comment under the video as well. But then, beautiful people, if you have not subscribed to Latini Skincare channel, I will plead with you to kindly subscribe to this channel. Turn on your notification so that anytime I drop a video here, you would be able to receive a notification from me. Thank you so much for watching, and I really appreciate you a lot. Have a nice day and stay blessed. Bye bye.